Let me ask you something real quick. You live in the United States, you have a job, you get paid every 2 weeks. So why does your bank account look like it's been personally attacked by rent, Starbucks, Uber Eats, and student loans? If you've ever thought, I make decent money, so why am I still broke? This video is for you. Today, we're breaking down one of the most relatable personal finance books ever written for young Americans, Broke Millennial by Erin Lowry. No Wall Street nonsense, no get-rich-quick scams, just real money talk for real life in America. Why this book hits Americans hard. Erin Lowry wrote this book for people who grew up hearing, go to college, get a degree, and you'll be fine. Instead, what did we get? Student loan debt, high rent, credit card balances, zero savings, and anxiety every time we check our bank app. Broke Millennial isn't about becoming rich. It's about stopping the financial bleeding. Chapter 1. Your Money Mindset. Timestamp 4 to 8 minutes. In America, we don't learn money in school. We learn it emotionally. Maybe your parents fought about money. Maybe money was never talked about. Or maybe you were told, don't worry about money, just swipe the card. Erin calls this your money story. Until you understand your money story, you'll keep repeating the same mistakes, just with a higher paycheck. USA-specific example. You get a raise, so you upgrade your apartment, upgrade your car, upgrade your lifestyle, and somehow you're still broke. Chapter 2. Credit cards and American debt culture. Timestamp 8 to 15 minutes. America runs on credit. We're taught it's normal to finance everything. Phones, furniture, vacations, even groceries. Erin Lowry says credit cards are not free money. They're short-term loans with brutal interest. If you only pay the minimum, the bank loves you, but your future self hates you. Golden rule. Book quote style. If you can't pay it off this month, you can't afford it. Budgeting without killing your social life. Most Americans hear the word budget and think no fun, no travel, no lattes. Erin flips that idea. A budget is just a plan for your money, not a punishment. Simple American budget structure. Fixed expenses, rent, insurance, utilities, variable expenses, food, gas, fun, goals, savings, debt, investing. Budgeting means telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Emergency fund equals freedom. In the U.S., one emergency can destroy your finances. Medical bill, job loss, car repair. That's why Erin says an emergency fund isn't optional, it's survival. Rule: 3 to 6 months of expenses, high-yield savings account. Touch it only in real emergencies. An emergency fund doesn't make you rich, it makes you calm. Chapter 5. Investing for American Millennials. Most millennials think investing is either too risky, too confusing, or only for rich people. Erin breaks it down simply. Basics. Start early, use retirement accounts, 401k, Roth IRA. Index funds over hype. The biggest mistake is waiting until you feel ready. You don't get rich by timing the market. You get wealthy by staying in the market. Chapter 6. Money and relationships. In America, we'll talk about sex before money. Erin says money conversations should happen early. Talk about debt, spending habits, financial goals. Love without money communication eventually turns into resentment. Final lesson. Timestamp 35 to 38 minutes. Broke Millennial teaches one powerful idea. Money is a skill, not a talent. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be intentional. Small decisions repeated over time create financial confidence. If this video helped you see money differently, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe if you want more real-world finance content made for everyday Americans. And comment below, what's the biggest money mistake you've made?